Alright, let's see what else we got here. I got me a box. You guess about what a camshaft looks like. Yeah, it looks like a cam. It's an RS468. That's probably a good one. Probably a redshift. Let's see here. Got a label the guy I bought it from. Probably shouldn't show that. Don't look at that label. Secret. How do you get in this box? I don't know. First thing I do is get the label off. There we go. Get the label off. Oh, now I can see where I got to cut the box. Okay, you can't stick them on the cutting part of your knife. It doesn't cut. It doesn't cut very well anyway. Good tape. A little thick. There we go. Okay, RS. That's redshift 468. I don't know, what is this thing? Evo M8 twin cam? That looks like a twin cam. It's probably an M8, there's only one. Oh, it comes in paper and everything, that's a good sign. Don't touch parts that matter. That part don't matter, everything else does. Okay, it's not an M8. It's not a twin cam because it's got 4 lobes on it. That makes it an M8. Got some miles on it too. A lot of miles. A lot of crap went through that motor. See, the cam's pretty new, but look at the amount of trash that went through that motor. That's not a good motor. Had some issues in there. So I have no idea what an RS, whatever that is, cam is, 468. So it's an RS 468, whatever that means. It's a good thing I got my computer here today. You can look it up. Computers were good for looking up crap like this. Not on eBay though. Redshift RS 468. Enter. Touch screen. You can almost read this. Oh, that's a junk cam. It's the first one on the list. What kind of a cam is that? Alright, where's my little thing at here? Working my camera here. I'm going to turn the light off. Okay, so 468 I think is what it said on the box. Yep. I think that's what I read on the end of the lobe over here. Sun where you can see it. Let's see, yep, 468 redshift. Alright, so 468 redshift's right here. Can't read it very well, it's pretty jumbled up. Need a better one. It's number 1 on the list, which means it's the mildest thing they make. That's not the kind of cams I like buying. Oh, it came right up. Look at it. 468 Milwaukee 8. There it is right there. Look at that. It's a bolt-in. Yeah, it's because it's a crap cam. It's got no power. Made for a touring bike, probably. Yeah, he's touring. See, it's a touring bike. See, that's a touring bike. That's how the touring bikes do. That's how they do it in San Diego. That's a touring bike around here. Okay, can we read it now where it actually says something? There we go. Oh, now I can read it. There's your specs right there. 468, 205 by 235 duration. I'm not buying a damn new car. Crappy numbers. 470 lift. It's only got 113 thou TD lift and 154 in exhaust. Got a lot of exhaust on there for some reason. Must be some really crappy pipes on the motor. 94 center. Damn, that is a narrow center line. 94 by 98. Those are extremely narrow center lines. 94. That's a lot of overlap. Excuse me. That is a weird cam timing. That is not how 2-valve motors are timed, let me tell you. Those are some weird numbers there. Yeah, 98 by 110. Yeah, that's our 98 by 106 is a common type spread for a regular Harley. Yeah, I see all that. Yeah. 100 by 106 is good. Yeah, those are all good numbers. This is weird down here. 94, 98. That's stupid numbers. That's really weird. Oh, it's a bolt-in. What a shocker. Okay, what's going on? I got too much crap in my way. Oh, it looks like a cam. Yeah, my finger did something wrong. Clicked on too many things. That one. Yeah, it takes OEM beef high springs. There you go. Bolt-in. Makes no difference. Significant improvement over power, throttle response, and right where you ride. Yeah, that's at idle. Prevents acceleration below 2,000. Yeah, because it's got no cam timing in it. It works between 2 and 4,000. Well, what happens if you get above 4? It'll run to 6. You know, the rev limiter set at 4,500 probably. They tell you to change the ignition module out to get a better high rev limiter on it. Alright, so if you like a touring bike, or you ride like Grandpa, it's probably a good cam for you. Now with all the trash that went through it, that's not how I like seeing it. It's not the best ideal situation there when you know that crap's been run through your motor. But I don't see any flaking or wrong with it that's bad. That's bag trash right there, and glue and stuff off the bag here. Yeah, the lobe's not really damaged per se too much, just the worst lobes right here. It's smooth, you can't feel any of that. It's cosmetic. I'm not catching that groove. I can see it, but I'm not, my fingernail's not catching it, so that's good. So hopefully that'll go away. Alright, well anyway, here's how you get a cam. You buy them on eBay. Someone took it out of their bike because it sucked, it's too mild. So we put a big cam in it. So there you go. Alright, another one to put on the shelf.